Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can easily use and install free shipping bar on Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is just click here add application, and let's wait until it's going to load. When we have it, go to bottom and click install app. Now let's just wait until it's going to load, and here we go. So first thing, set up free shipping, go to Shopify admin, settings, shipping. So this is the first thing what we need to do, is come here and you can add fulfillment service, manage rates here. And you see the rate name price free for shipping to. So we have it. Now what you can do, open the relevant shipping profile, add a shipping zone to this profile, add a condition, select based on the order price. So let's see, shipping profile, we can go create a shipping zone, we can add a rate, standard, and you can add conditions. So based on the order price, and now enter minimum order price, same as the goal in the free shipping bar app. Let's go, I don't know, 50, right? And price free, rate name standard, based on the order price. Okay, click done. Condition 50 and up, and I'm going to delete the first one here, delete. So standard, condition 50 euro and up, price is free. We got it. Now what we need to do is pretty simple and pretty easy. We'll just install also these, open those, create a new bar. And now we can have a basic template or premium template. You need to upgrade to access the premium template. And you can go shades of gray, good mood, harvest gold. Like let's say harvest gold here. And now you see preview free shipping for orders of 100, only 99 euro away from free shipping. And now my first free shipping bar, that's the name of content. I'm going to zoom in more so you can see it clearly. So free shipping goal is a 50 euro. This is what we did in straight from the beginning in our condition. And free shipping for orders over 50 euro. Initial message, free shipping for orders over 50. Progress message, away from shipping. So let's say if they're going to enter multiple products. Goal achievement message, congratulations, you've got a free shipping. You can add a link to a bar. You can include close button, no. Select the display position, top bar pushes down the rest of the page. Always visible while scrolling. Top bar pushes down the rest of the page. And currency, you can like optimize it where you want to have. So if I'm going to have it at manual placement or bottom bar, I'm going to leave it just right here. Currency, again, you can add it to dollars. I'm from Europe, so I'm going to leave Europe. Background, text color, special text color, everything, I'm going to leave it like it is. Font, again, you can change that. You can also change the font size. So you can go righteous and then it's going to get changed, as you can see. So when I'm going to choose Carter 1, it's going to look like this. You can increase also the font size here. And as you can see, it's pretty big, so I'm going to make it smaller. And I'm going to change the righteous, and let's say that I'm going to 420. It's pretty good, right? So when I have it, I can change also the background color, text color, special text color, really optimize it as much as you want. And now targeting configuration, display on page. You can edit on, not like on all pages, but home page only on page with a URL. Exclude page. Device target and customer targeting, again geolocation target, exclude, and then you get like custom code here and just click save. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Now I'm going to open the online store here and free shipping for orders over 50 euro. And as you can see, and it's on the top. Now, let's say that I would edit the free shipping bar here. And let's say that I'm going to have it as a bottom bar. And I'm going to click save here. See, when I'm going to open again the store, it's going to be at bottom. So this is pretty much it, how you can use this application, the free shipping bar. If you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. And yeah, there are also multiple applications that I recommend. Multiple like tutorials or multiple everything like the applications here. So my recommendation, definitely choose, like, check it out, Pagefly, Reconvert, Post Purchase Sales, Shogun. Ultimate Sales Boost is a really good app that you can use, and this app is really effective. So it's also pretty good. Now, when you would go here to the apps, visit the Shopify App Store, go also download the Lux review. That's also a really great app. This is really great when you're gonna send, let's say, this is a really great app for when you're gonna send, someone is going to buy your product, you're gonna send them email to review with a photo, and if they're going to do it, you're gonna add them and send them, I don't know, 15% off price for next product they would buy. Also, you can add them discounts for their friends as a referral, and that's pretty good and that's pretty effective too. So again, guys, thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.